Proper eye hygiene is important to ensure your pet does not develop complications, such as certain types of corneal disorders, which can lead to partial loss of vision or even blindness. If your cat has long hair, do not let it fall into its eyes, as this may cause irritation. You can either tie its hair, cut it yourself, or have it cut by your groomer. Should you choose to do it yourself, however, be careful not to injure your pet. Some cat breeds are brachycephalic, which is to say that they have a flattened face and produce more frequent eye discharge that may require very regular care. This is the case with Persians, for example. Any discharge, regardless of its nature, must be cleaned using a suitable cleanser that has a pH close to that of the ears, or by using physiological serum. To avoid trauma of the eye and eyelids, use non-woven compresses while cleansing. Avoid cotton, which can leave fibers and irritate the eye. The eye cleanser or serum can be placed on the compress or applied directly to your pet's eye by gently opening the eyelid. Be careful in this case not to touch the cornea with the tip of the bottle. Proper cleansing is done by moving from the inner angle to the outside of the eye. Remember to also moisten the eyelids and remove any debris present. Cleansing can be repeated daily, but if the discharge is abundant or if it persists, consult your veterinarian who will make a diagnosis. If you notice signs of eye pain such as blepharospasm, for example permanent blinking of the eye, or intensive scratching of the eye area, consult your veterinarian without delay. Similarly, if you observe a change in the appearance of your pet's eyes or any loss of vision, quickly consult your veterinarian. The delay prior to treatment is often crucial to the success of an eye treatment. Avoid using eye drops without medical advice, as they can aggravate an existing pathology. For example, an anti-inflammatory applied to an eye that has a corneal ulcer can aggravate the lesion and lead to a perforation. Your vigilance can help avoid unlucky circumstances for your companion.